So good evening, guys. Today we are going to have online internships and the live project session. This session is not related to training. This is a session where you will be doing the internship in our company GKTCS Innovation. And for doing the internship, I'll be giving you the guidelines how you can do the online internship in GKTCS. This internship is for everyone, whoever wish to do some project which are research based project or some project which are related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, as well as we have a project related to web application development using full stack development like Django framework and all. I'll tell you the step-by-step process about this online internship in GKTCS. Firstly, let me tell you what is our today's agenda.
Can we please proceed after 5 minutes, please, the lecture? Could you please proceed and wait for a few more participants to join?
Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah.
Okay. After 5 minutes, will you please start? Maybe.
Sure, definitely.
I'm outside right now. I'm just reaching home. In 5 minutes, I will reach. So, I'm sorry for that. But we will wait for some more participants. Otherwise, they will also miss the contents.
No worry, because this is actually we are recording right now and everybody is waiting on the YouTube. So we will stop the recording right now. Just. I think this session will be recorded once again. So those who are missing the session, they can join once again later. So I will request guys right now, whatever the timing is there, accordingly the session is going to start. And the session will be repeated one more times if there is a need. But as of now, I think let us go ahead with the agenda. Here we are talking about the GKTCS and the GKTCS internship as well as the project. So what all things are there in the GKTCS innovations? I know like some participant may join little bit later, but for them, they will have some recording. Okay, so first thing, let me tell you about the GKTCS innovation. GKTCS Innovations is the company where we have created one learning management system platform. This is a platform which is a very much interactive, innovative, informative, and interesting for all the learners. Now, this platform is already there from past 3 years now. Mostly the corporates from the MNC, they are using the platform for self-learning purpose. And this time, we have planned to have 3 more services in the GKTCS innovations. In that, we have planned online internship project for all the interns who are looking for the advanced level project, or we can say the live project. And this project can be done in a step-by-step manner. So what the GKTCS, I say, like it's something which is a platform. It's like we have the complete LMS platform now. This LMS platform, you can visit the site like gktcs.in for India and gktcs.com for other countries. So the benefits are there. There are many more benefits of GKTCS innovations. The first thing is like in GKTCS, let me tell you, like GKTCS is not the company which started recently. It is there from past 11 plus years. We started in the October 2009. From that time, we are doing the internship program. Nearly thousands of students already finished the internship in GKTCS. And most of them are already working in the MNCs. Now, we have been like not only just doing the internship, but also providing the corporate training across the globe. Now, in that, I myself is an international corporate trainer, and I have provided a training on various technology which include the Python, data science, machine learning, web programming like Django frameworks, then artificial intelligence, and many more skills like that. I have already developed, I can say, 40 plus technical skills, and these skills already taught to the corporate. I have conducted 600 plus corporate training on Python and Python related technologies for most of the MNCs. Now, I have almost 21 plus year experience in the corporate training, and with that experience, I am guiding all the interns who like to join this GKTCS here. The company is having certain path, and the path is like how you can reach to the certain goal or the milestone. So we have created the path for everyone. All those learners who like to achieve that path, they will require to go to a step-by-step manner. So we have a the expertise. We have some technical resources connected with a GKTCS. They already they are having the experience of, you can say, almost 5 to 6 years as a average experience, and also we have a expert connected to GKTCS here. They all are connected to corporate as well as for the institution. Now let me tell you like what this GKTCS internship is all about. What we provide in this internship, we have the self-paced internship also. In this case, let's say someone would like to do internship by themselves, we have the option available. And in this case, you will not require to have any trainers or mentoring program, so that is also available. So you will have a guided system, and using the guided system you will be able to do the self-paced internship. So there is a self-paced learning as well as self-paced internship program is available in our company. And we have a multiple live project. These projects are all latest project which are demanded in the most of the MNCs now. Now MNCs like, you can say, the Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, Google, all these company, they are already using those kinds of project. For example, the project like recommendation system, online content generation, like there is a artificial intelligence based digital content creation, or online or AI digital marketing, AI based or AI powered digital marketing. We do have the projects which are like already created by our team, like chatbot. So we are going to the next level of chatbot creation, which is also a AI based project. Along with that, we have created several projects like project management. We are done. We have created a content creation system. This content creation system is already available with us. We have a project where we have content management system also. We have a project and portfolio management available. We have a marketing and sales management available. Most of this project we are converting into artificial intelligence based project. Now, what this artificial intelligence based project means here? When you talk about AI, it is all about how you mimic to the human now. The thing which the human can do, we want the machine should also do it. In future, you will see most of the project or most of the company, they will be doing the task using the artificial intelligence. Now, how they are going to do it? They are going to train the machine. They are going to, provide that input to the machine, and machine will do that task on behalf of you. That is the way the online AI based internship will be done here. In this case, we have already trained the machine now. The machine is like our system, and system is going to guide you how to do, let's say, analysis, how to write the synopsis, how to exactly do the design part. So analysis, design, and then which tool to be used for designing, what is the process for analysis, that, or what are the best practices are there for analysis. All those will be available on the your dashboard itself. If you register as an intern, you will get all these things available as a dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard will allow you to do internship in a step by step manner. You will see a schedule also for this, like, we have scheduled this internship for all those guys who recently completed MCA, and they would like to do internship for almost 3 to 4 month time. So there is a schedule for everyone, like when, how to do the synopsis, and there's an online submission for synopsis available. Guideline for synopsis will be available online itself. So we will see, like, there's a synopsis guideline, and you will require to just follow the guideline for finishing the synopsis. Afterwards, there will be a guideline for the analysis purpose, and you will just require to follow the steps here. Online internship means you should not be wasting too much of time for the basic thing. Online internship means you should be focusing more on the core project, where the project should be like creating the recommendation system. Project should be where you are going to create the chatbot application, or the project where you are going to have a content generation. All these projects, you should be able to do it using our guidelines, using our, the mentorship program, as well as the live session which we'll be planning. So we have a mentorship program. There will be a combination here, like the interns will be doing the project along with the mentors. There will be a project, we have a project manager in our company, will be telling you what are the steps you should be doing for the internship purpose, and with that step, if you do it, you will have a successful internship in the company. This internship will help you a lot in terms of skill building in advanced technology. For example, the internship required that you should have the skill on various technology like Python, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web programming, and many more. Mostly the industry is looking for those kind of skills, but here you will get that practical skill now. So that's why this internship is very important for all those guys who like to build practical skill, and that too on the most demanding technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. We have a blended approach for all of you. Blended approach includes some cases you are going to have a recorded session, and some cases you'll have a live session. This blended approach will save your time, and you will not require to worry for if you miss certain session also. All the session which you are conducting, we are recording all this session and uploading on the YouTube channel. You will require to just uh, subscribe our YouTube channel GKTCS Innovation, so that you will get the notification for this channel. So I have one question, like what is the qualification needed for the internship? I'll be telling you all that answer. That's a good question. The expectation is that you should be graduate in a IT or non-IT domain. That's fine, as long as you like to do project and you are interested to learn. You can do the internship at any point of time. Yes, there will be a certain criteria, some skills and all. Some cases you will require to build the skill, some cases will guide you how to do that. So it is like a combination in this case. So mostly these projects are IT based. So the recommended is like you should have a certain IT background. Without this IT background, these projects are really challenging. So that's it about the basic skill here. And we are going to have one test also to know your, like, what is your technical or the aptitude skill also. So there will be a one online test for that. After this internship and having that experience, you will also get the certificate. So certificate will be only based on the point system. You'll be getting the certain task to achieve for doing the project. So project will be divided into multiple tasks, and you will require to just finish the task as per the deadline. You'll get the deadlines for every task to finish, and according to that deadline you require to submit the task. And if you do that, you will get the certificate on time. And if you are not able to, you will get more time to finish the points, and once you finish the point, then only the certificate will be given to you. So certificate from for the internship, it depends on you and your performance only. So this is about the JKTCS internship plan, and I'll be telling you, I think most of the question will be answered in a step-by-step manner. And okay, the question is like for the BBA students, if so for the BBA we have a different kind of internship. For the BCA or for, you can say, the MCA, we are different. So internship will be different for the different kind of the candidate. So yes, there will be a internship, but that will be more on the business analytics in that case. Our recommendation for the BBA will be, you should be going for the business analytics related internship, not the internship which is related to AI and machine learning, because that is going to take a lot of time. You have to understand a lot of things related to artificial intelligence and the technical skill also. So there you may go for the market analysis like business analytics and all. So there, that will help you then. Okay, so what is the benefit of this GKTCS internship? So there are many benefits which are there. As I say, there will be a lot of learning. So because there is an approach which we are going to follow is a blended learning program. And here, this is like a project you are selecting. You will have a lots of option to select the project, and this will be assigned to you. You'll have a mentor for that. Mentor will tell you, okay, this is the appropriate project for you based on your skill. So we'll have a live session for every one of you. This session, in that we'll be understanding your skills, and we'll understand, like, where, which type of project you should be doing then. So there will be a session for that purpose. There is a process in our case, like, first process is like you have to register on the site. The second process is like, you have to go to the online test. Then third process is like you'll be getting the live session where the guidance will be given, like which is the suitable project for you. And once you get the guidance, based on that only the project will be allocated. Okay, so you do not require to worry for like how the project will be allocated to you. All that things will be done by the mentor itself. uh, uh, you need to just register on the website for the internship. I will be telling you, Palki, that how to go ahead, so that will be answer to you, no worry. Okay, so I think my team will tell you even in between, if there's a other question related to like which anyhow I'll be answering you, that how to register, how to go ahead for the next thing, all that will be answered to you. Okay, so now there are, I just say, like there are lots of benefits of internship here, and this is like a focus on the project here. So let us focus on the live project, and based on the live project the internship should be conducted. So I think I will just go ahead with a step-by-step manner now. As I say, like, there will be this is like, this is like where you are going to build your skills in a step-by-step manner now. Okay, and make your profile so strong that it is something which is the corporate is demanding. So this internship is like gaining the experience on advanced technology. And as you are going to gain the experience on the advanced technology, your profile will have some weightage. If you do not want your profile to be put into the trash, I will recommend every one of you to do this internship program. See, along with this internship, there will be a lot of learning programs available. And one of the things which we'll be doing is like you'll be getting the lots of blogs related to the project. The blogs, like we can say, the micro learning. Micro learning is something the IT industry is looking for these days, where you like to know the step-by-step process, how to learn how to do data analysis, or how to use a machine learning algorithm, or understanding the recommendation system, what is content creation system means. So a lot of questions will be answers using the blog, as well as we'll have a FAQ available on that pages also. So micro learning is something which will be learning through the portal. The portal will have lots of content available for you, and you can also be a contributor of micro learning in case you have that expertise. So this is like we already have micro learning. We already providing you the services using the YouTube. We have our YouTube channels, and I know like most of you guys already register on the YouTube. I know, like, you guys already subscribe to this channel. So that's why you must be getting some notification in terms of the live sessions. So those who are already subscribed, they must be getting the whatever the live sessions are conducted or planned, that notification will be already there now. So like that, many more learnings will be there. There will be a discussion forum on the portal. You will see we have created discussion forum for all the interns, and using the discussion forum you will able to discuss about the project also. Okay, so there is a lot of things in terms of the about the internship itself. You will require to just focus on learning perspective, and we'll be going ahead for the next thing. Okay, so let me now quickly go to the important topic. Not everyone, not all the topic right now. So, what this, the JKTCS is providing you, it is providing you all the things you get as per your requirement. It is your need, and you get the solution for that. So, as per the need, if you want some video to be accessed, you get the access to the video. You get access to the presentation. You get access to ebooks and course learning also. So that's a macro learning which we are providing. There are lots of ebooks which are available on the portal, which will allow you to learn a lot of new skills. I'll not talk about those things right now. And also, we have a self-paced learning. I told you, like, this is something where you do not require anyone, let's say, the trainer or online instructor to be taught. Then we have a option available called self-paced learning also, but that is through the system then. And also, I told you, like, it's a blended learning program. We have a like a recorded session plus live session, both are available for the internship purpose. I think I have already shared the various benefits of the internship, like in terms of getting the experience, in terms of the career path, which you can decide where you like to go for, like whether you like to make the career in the artificial intelligence, or you like to create a full stack development like Django, or some other like a data analyst you like to do. So that all that career path will be there. We do have a career path option available as a PG level courses also. You can look for those PG level courses where you like to set your complete career path. So there it includes like complete 1 year program. That career path is like you become a professional within a 1 year time. Like it's complete, like starting from the Python, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, text mining, analytical programming. That complete package of 10 courses will be there in the case of the career path. Similarly, we have a career path related to full stack development, which include the Python as well as the Django and the React JS and many more UI UX technology integration with the Django and Django REST framework. So those kind of career paths are available on the portal. You can just look for the PG level course for that. So this internship will give you the lots of benefit in terms of skill building as well as the practical exposure for the real time project then. Okay, so as a mentoring is concerned, I told you, like, there will be lots of sessions as we are already conducting. I think most of you guys already attended most of the session here, like related to support, like mentorings will be there, support will be there, coaching will be there. So whoever is registering on the portal, they will get a opportunity to attend the session, as well as personal training will be conducted for those guys who are having certain challenges. So these all things will be planned in the case of internship itself. Okay, so this internship is not just like, a basic program. Some of you guys may decide your career path as an entrepreneurship using this internship program only. Why? Because we are giving you a guidelines to develop the product, not just it's not just the basic thing where you will understand, like, how to develop a product using the a step-by-step manner approach or the career path which we have. Like, for example, if you join some PG level program, there you will get the skills of entrepreneurship also. Okay, so I will not discuss about the entrepreneurship as of now. That itself is a big topic. So let me give you the idea about the internship here, and we have the various plan available. So let me show you the website so that you'll come to know that how to go ahead for the internship. So I'm just sharing the screen now, the another screen. This is the website. Now this website, you must have seen this option available on the home page. So this is our home page. If I just click on the home page, this is like the home page, and you have the option available like internship program, no more. Okay, so in case you like to register for the internship, just click here first, and from here you get the more idea about the internship, like what the internship is, why GKTCS, the synopsis guideline is also available. You have a project related information available, subscription related information available, the schedule is also available, testimonials, and the clientele informations. So as per your question, there are options available. So what is the first step now? The first step is to click here for the internship registration. So this is the first step which you will require to do it if you like to be a part of internship, and it's a free internship registration. There's no charge for the registration here. So you can see it is just the sign up. You have to just log in and fill the correct information. If you fill the correct information, you'll get the email on your on that email address which you are going to provide here, and there you'll get the guideline also on the email, like what is the next step. That guideline will be given on the email itself. So first step is that you just fill the form for the intern registration and do the sign up. You will require to fill the profile also afterwards. So that is the next step which will be given, which will be like, let's say you fill the form, then you will get you require to activate the account. Once you activate the account, you will require to fill the profile. Then next thing will be, like, say you have done that part, you receive the email. What is the next thing afterwards? Okay, so here you'll get the various things, like in terms of understanding the GKTCS internship here. So understand about the various project. Let's say you like to know about some projects. So there are some sample ideas, not like they are the only, not only projects. We have almost 60 projects available, but out of that will be giving the projects based on the skills. Like, let's say someone is already having the skills on the data science, machine learning, and AI. For them, we have different project. Having the Python skill, we have different projects. So based on your skill, the projects are allocated. So some of the most popular project which we have also done, like chatbot application development. You can see in the website itself, gktc.in, there is a one chatbot application we already created. And there you can just talk to that bot. This is the bot here. And here you can ask the question, what is Python? And you can see that the response has come now. The Python is high level, interpreted, interactive. And so this is the way the bot is created. And you can train the bot like this. What is the difference between list and tuple? Now you can see the response has come. So this kind of application you can create as a project. So yes, there are various things available. You'll get the guidelines to create such kind of a project. We already done this kind of project, and those who are interested to create such kind of a project, they can join as a intern, and you'll get the great opportunity to work on such project. Then you can see the blocks. That's the micro learnings as a part of our schedule. You can see those also. Now what you have to do is, next thing is, let's say you decided, okay, you are going to have certain projects and all. The next thing will be, you have to go for the online test. Okay, so let me tell you the schedule here. I do not require to tell you, like, the so there is a schedule already we are done for that. So we have a schedule for the online test and all. The first step is the online test. This is again like open for everyone. You do not require to pay for the free registration as well as for the online test. It's a free, and everyone can join for the online test here. We have already conducted this test on the 29th and 30th Jan. Now those who would like to go for the online test today, we are giving one more opportunity for you guys to go for the online test. I'll tell you how to go ahead. If you already register as a intern, you can go for the online test. You simply need to register first, and once you register, you'll get the option for the online test. So let me do that also. But before that, let me do what is the next schedule. Before I actually show the demo of online test, let me give the schedule. We have a schedule of like a online personal mentorship, which we already started. Those guys who already given those who have already given the online test, for them we have already conducted some personal mentorship program. And this process of personal mentorship process already started in the GKTCS now. And here we are giving them the guidelines for the project work. The next thing is the project. As those guys who already gone to this phase, like the first two step, for them the project is already started. But those who like to start now also, we are giving this week itself, this week for everyone to do the project work. So the project start date is already there. Synopsis submission, you can see the 7th of Feb, you will require to submit the synopsis. Synopsis guideline is already given on the website itself. From there, you will get the synopsis guideline, as well as on the dashboard, you will get the synopsis guideline. There's a step-by-step manner. You have to have analysis submission. You have a design, like design thinking will be involved here. So there's a, like, the creative project. It is not just the ordinary project we are doing. We are thinking about how you are creating the project for giving the benefit to the maximum number of human resources. So are you having the project where the creativity is there, the empathy is there? Is it going to help to the, the maximum number of people? So that all thing will be decided in the case of design thinking, and also we'll have the design for that project. So it's a combination now. So this is something, the new thing which you are going to learn. Then there will be a coding part. Again, there will be a guideline given for each and every stage. Every stage there will be guideline, and the mentor should be there. So coding, where the step by step manner coding will be done. Depending on the project, you'll get the one task. That each task there will be points. So you do not require to write the complete 1,000 lines of code here. You'll just get a small piece of a task to for doing the analysis and for doing the designing part, and then you have to finish that, and then you get the next task. There's a point system for every task you submit then. So that way the coding for the module submission will be done then. So it is like the project is divided into multiple modules, and the each module is having the multiple tasks to finish then. So that every step is very, very important while doing the coding here. Then there will be a testing on the local environment first. So before you deploy on the main, because they are the live project, we make sure that this particular code or the project which you are done is well tested on the local environment, and we'll tell you like how to test it also. Then you are going to push on the GitHub. So because we are going to use a DevOps tools, so there will be a GitHub, and on that you are going to push your code, what are the code you have tested on the local environment. And we'll be doing then integration testing. Our team will tell you like what is that integration testing is all about. There you will not get the opportunity to directly do that integration testing, but you'll get the guidance, and you'll come to know, okay, this is the way the integration testing is all about. You will also require to do the report submission. So there is an option for the online report submission here. You will see like there is a step-by-step manner. You will be just submitting the report here. It's all completely form-based report creation, and you'll be able to download the PDF file also using the report submission method here. You're also able to create your presentation. Your presentation will be scheduled on this date, 1st April 2021. So whatever the report you are going to generate using the system, we have a system also in case you like to use it to create the presentation, that also you can do it, or you can create in the Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's the date on the 1st April. And lastly, we have an online certificate based on the project completion. So this is a complete guideline, and the date, whatever we have mentioned here, they are the mostly the tentative date. There will be a little bit variation based on the start date of your project. As you start the project from, let's say, today, based on that, there will be a you can say the submission date also for each and every task which I mentioned here. Now most of you guys are asking me about the what is the fees for this particular project and all. So but let me do like for what is the step I say, share to you. There is no fees as such, but where there is a fees is for the plan. We have a subscription plan available. Now this subscription plan include many more features. For example, you are going for the, let's say, the bronze plan. Now there's a lot of thing in the bronze plan itself. That is something where you just need to subscribe by 2,000 rupees per month. This is something which is a basic plan in GKTCS portal. Here you do not get a much guideline from the live guidelines, will not be there much. There will be just a few sessions which you'll get the access as a live session, but then mostly whatever the session will be there, they're all recorded session now. In this case, this is a plan like you're doing the free internship here. This plan is equivalent to free internship. Why? Because in this case, you're not paying much. So it is equivalent to the free internship now. So those guys who can do the project by themselves with a minimum guidance, then they can go for this bronze plan. Now those guys who think like they would like to build the skills, they would like to have more session per month basis, then you can go for the silver plan here. So fees will vary based on the your the expectation. As you are looking for the trainer expert, you are looking for the some mentorship programs, you're looking for some online session, then we have a silver fund for that. So the plan will be like changing based on the expectation now. Now, okay, so this was the brief about the various plan which are available. And also you have a plan like a gold plan and diamond plan. You can just look for those the plan also and see like what this gold plan means, what the diamond plan means. Yes, there are number of live sessions available in the case of gold plan and the diamond plan. Now what is the first step? Now you have to just go for the online test. Now let me tell you like how to go for the online test. So once you register, you will get the dashboard access. This dashboard, you have an option called online quiz here. Okay. Now I'm just showing like this is like demo. I'll be telling you like how to go for the online test, internship demo. And here you are going to start the quiz now. This test you will not be giving. This is for the just demo I'm telling you. And once you register, you will also get the this kind of dashboard. That's we call the intern dashboard. Here you are going to get the instruction. Before you go for the online test, you will require to read this instruction carefully. Why? Because if you do the mistake in this online test, you will not able to go for this test once again. So that's why you have to go in a step by step manner only. So firstly, there's a the test will ask you like please select the answer option from the drop down list. Then each question carries 1 mark. Do not reload the page once the test start. uh, Even though let's say you're not able to see that test, do not reload the page as of now. So don't do refreshing and all, because test will be you're okay, you have to go for the test on the Chrome browser only. So my recommendation for all of you to go for the Google Chrome, not for the Internet Explorer, not for any other browser. Just go for the Google Chrome browser. Do not close your browser once the test start. The test will be auto submitted after completion of time, and you can submit the test by clicking end and the submit quiz button. So these are the options which are there, which you require to follow for the online test. So now let me start this quiz so that you'll come to know how the quiz looks like. Now this is just the demo quiz, so this is not the real quiz as such. That's why I don't require to worry. All the questions are different in the case of real test which we'll be giving. So this is like here you get the option like for example, these are like the English related like her thinking lens democracy. So you have to select the option now. So you get the option here like whatever the you like to select in this case. So uh, let's say I written the for option, the one option I had done now. The second one, let's say he got too tired. Let's say I have say something. This is like English test as of now. Okay. So now you can think about it like what should be the appropriate answer in this case. You can just select from this. You don't require to type anything here. So because of overwork, okay, you can select now again. And like that, you have to go for the selection of each and every question. And the last question. So you get option here, in spite of, warning, in spite of this. So sometimes you get confused, right, about warning or about. So this is, and once you are done, then you have to just say end and submit quiz, and let's see what happens. So here this option like, are you sure, do you want to submit your answer? This is a kind of pop-up will come, and when you say submit, this is the way the test will be submitted. And you can see the option like quiz submitted successfully. Now you can check your score, and this way you'll able to see the score also. Now you can see here the option, the result, the way it is coming now. If you see the view score, you can see that you score 4, means there were 5 questions right now out of the, so, and then one wrong. So now you come to know like how is the test progressing. There will be 10 question in your case. Then view score will tell you like where you are wrong also. In case you would like to check where you are wrong, you can see the first question, her thinking lens, instead of 4 there will be 2 words here. So this is the way you can check the correct answer also. Okay, so now I think uh, you can select the one of the tests, like internship test 1 is there, or internship test 2, anyone you can go for it. Kajol, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Which one the candidate should go for? The first one,
They
right?
can go any test.
Okay, let them go for the first test, right?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Okay, so guys, you can start for the online test, and you'll able to access the rest of the things. I think if now we can, I think once the test is done, you can see like how the result come also, and you'll also get the email once the test is conducted, once the test is over, right? So I'm just okay. So any question you are having now, we can discuss the question, or you can write the in the chat also what are the questions are there. I think there are actually the plan which are available. Mohad, you already must have received the plan also. The plans are already there. You can check on the website. The plans are available. Okay, so you can go for the test now, and once the test is over, we will tell you like what will be the next step afterwards. As already scheduled, you can see the all that remaining plans are based on the schedule only.